Welcome back to your science class. In the previous video, I explained you about how to take the measurement using a scale. We can take the measurement using a scale of any object which is straight. For example, if you have to measure the length of a line, or you have to measure the length of a box or the length of a table, you can use a ruler. Now we will see how to measure the length of a curved line. For example, if you have got a curved line, what will you do? See children, for a straight line, it is very easy to do the measurement. For example, this is a straight line. Okay, now when this is a straight line, you can very easily take the measurement. How can you take the measurement? You can use a scale or a ruler to take the measurement, isn't it? See, here I will take the measurement using this ruler. Okay, so I can take it is approximately 5 centimeter. So using a ruler you can do the measurement. Now what will you do if you have to measure the length of a curved line? For example, this is a curved line. Now how will you measure? Can you use a scale or a ruler to do the measurement? No, you cannot take a scale or a ruler to do the measurement using this. Okay, it is not possible to take the measurement. So what will you do? You can do one thing, that is you have to take a thread. Okay, see, I have taken a thread here, and then you have to place it along this curved line. Here I do not have a pin. You can use a paper pin. Okay, you have to put a pin here using a thread. Okay, you have to put a pin here. Then the second pin you will place at this curve pin. Okay, then the third pin, if there is a pin, there will not be any problem. Then the third pin here. Okay, so this will get fixed. Every time you place a pin, it will get fixed. Then the fourth pin here, and then the last pin you can fix it here. Okay, and then what you have to do? You have to just break this thread. Okay, till here. So see, now this thread is a straight line, and you can very easily keep this thread on a ruler and you can measure it. The measurement of this thread is almost 5.5 centimeter. You can see here it is 5.5 centimeter. So how can you measure the length of a curved line? You can measure the length of a curved line by using a thread. Clear children? Very easily you can measure using a thread. Then we will see the moving things around us. If you look around yourself, you can see many things around you. Some of the things are moving, whereas some of the things are stationary. If you make a table like this, which are the objects at rest? Some of the objects like when you look around, there is house, table, clock, chair, benches. All these are stationary. Whereas a bird, a flying bird, okay, the hands of a clock or of the blades of the fan, all these are moving, isn't it? Here it is given that you have to look at the motion of an ant. You might have seen children that when the ant moves, mostly the ant moves in a straight line and they move in a group. Or if you look at the motion of bees, honeybees, how do they move? They move randomly, here, there, here and there. Okay, it is not a fixed position. They are moving randomly. It depends on their will. उनके मन के हिसाब से वो लोग उड़ते हैं, isn't it? So you can see that different animals, or you can see animals or insects, butterflies, children, baby, all these have got different kinds of movement. Okay, that is motion. So exactly what is motion? Motion means that there is some kind of a change in the position of an object with time, isn't it? Just now I told you about honeybees. You might have noticed the honeybees, they are always changing their position with time. Sometimes they go and sit on one flower, then they go and sit on the another flower, whether it is the butterfly or whether it is the bees, or it may be the cow, dog. You have seen that cows may move here and there looking for grass. Sometimes they sit and sleep. So sometimes they are in motion, sometimes they are in rest. So what is motion exactly? Motion means it is actually a kind of change in the position of an object with time. Clear, children? Then types of motion we will study in the next video. Till here, please read the chapter. Thank you, children.